Y'all, let's go for another session. So session number 4. Okay, so session number 4, we're starting with 59.21. We need to finish at 60.74 or just to make 153, and that's it. Okay. Everything is in order. 10 seconds. Yeah, cool. So right now, just on the computer on. So I'm gonna look for an opportunity, and then once I find one or potentially find one, I will press record and show you what I got. So stay tuned in. Okay, we got Netflix. Maybe I'm too late for it. Um, yeah, I just missed this candle right here. Yeah, I saw it here. I saw this candle here and I saw this one. And then while I was setting things up, this candle just blow up. So yeah, I was about to say we got Netflix here, and most likely it's gonna dump, and it's already dumping. So this is a huge dump, very strong candle. So I don't know if the next candle is gonna be as bearish as this one, but I feel like I'm late for the party because this was the third candle, and it's getting close to this bottom right here, so it can be a risk there. I missed this one for a few seconds. I've got it, but it is what it is. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen with this INR. It's doing higher lows, so let me just draw a line here. Let's see what's going on. I can catch this one. So it's doing higher lows, so let's see if it's gonna come to this line right here and bounce back up and have a continuation to the upside, or just gonna you know continue to the downside and break this trend altogether. I've been struggling to find good entries, good pairs. Not much is happening right now. Okay, seems like he's going to break to the upside. Yeah, it's looking good. So we're going to get ready. Even though it's 88%, I feel like it's going to be a good opportunity. So let's have a look. Oh, it's pushing down too much, so it might not be as good. Yeah, it's not that strong. Yeah, I had a feeling on this one because on the last few seconds was pushing down too much. So I don't think this one is going to have a continuation. All right, let's keep browsing. Okay, let's have a look at Facebook. It's not the best one, but I feel like it's gonna have a continuation to the upside. Right, it was in the uptrend, came down here, went below the 50 SMA, and now it's pushing back up. So I feel like this is just a small pullback before we have a continuation. So hopefully that will be the case, and they will be able to place our trades. But I'm not very confident about this chart, to be real with y'all. But yeah, nothing else is happening. Maybe because it's Saturday. So I'm gonna have a look till 5 o'clock, 17 o'clock. So if nothing happens, then I'm just gonna call it a day. Don't trade at all because sometimes when you try to force a trade, you're just gonna lose because it most likely is not gonna meet the criteria. But I'm gonna force it because I'm feeling like I want to trade. So yeah, if you feel that way and nothing comes your way, then just leave it alone. Don't trade. So yeah, I'm gonna look around and see what's up. Okay, this one seems like it's coming. It's gonna, you know, USD card. Right, so we can see that it's on a downtrend, even though the chart looks a bit messy. It's on a downtrend. So let's have a look how this candle is gonna play out. So this is the first candle. So we are hoping that it has a continuation to the downside. Yeah, momentum is shifting from uptrend to the downtrend. So hopefully this candle will be red, and the next one will be the dump. In the meantime, the price might pump towards the 50 SMA, hit the 50 SMA, gets rejected, and continue downwards. So let's have a look. Ooh, okay, it's hitting the 50 SMA, so unexpected. So let's see what comes out of this. You're on a downtrend, sort of downtrend. So 2 seconds is a very bullish candle. Okay, yeah, seems like it's gonna get rejected, hopefully. So this is the first candle. We're potentially gonna take the second candle, next candle. This one looks very bearish, which is great to see. It's pulling up a little bit. Nope, you don't want to see green candles. Right, this one is a bit erratic. Okay, it's pushing down. Okay, it's looking good. It's going that way. So let's see if he pulls up a little bit. He's not pulling up. Okay, there. So let's see. He pulled up. Okay, we got the trade. We won that one. So 60-13. So we just need to win one more trade and we out of here. Okay, let's have a look at Pfizer. Let's see how it's gonna play out. It's getting very close to the 50 SMA. It's on the downtrend. Well, it was on the uptrend, but now he came over here to retest, or close to the 50 SMA to retest it, but it got rejected. So right now we are looking to see what's gonna happen. We are here on this zone where it's consolidating, but if sellers come in and push the price down, then we're gonna have a downtrend, and that's what we're hoping to catch. So this one also coincides with this one here. So just gotta wait and see. So slowly, momentum was going up, not that strong, was very bearish. You can see we got more reds than greens. So we are hoping to catch the downtrend on this one, place a trade, and that's it. Get that win and be out of here. So we got, well, 5 o'clock now, 17. So just gonna see how this thing's gonna play out. And if it just takes too long, I'm gonna call it a day. Even though I haven't reached the session targets, I've made profits. It's going sideways for a bit, but it looks like it's gonna break to the downside because we have more reds than greens. So price is struggling, slowly going down. So yeah, just gonna look at this one. Okay, it's looking good. Not looking good. These last second pumps are the killers one. Are the ones that kills the trade. It's poking out of the zone. Feels like it's gonna hit the 50 SMA. Hopefully we'll get rejected here and continue to go down as expected. So as you can see, it picked the 50 SMA. So let's see if it's gonna push to the downside. Well, it doesn't look like it's gonna go that way, does it? Keeps on pushing up and is breaking out of this zone. So most likely found support on this zone and will continue the uptrend. I'm sorry. Will continue the uptrend because yeah, it's picking out of the zone. I thought it would go down, but seems like it's not gonna happen. We'll see. It's coming back to the zone. Nope. So let's have one last look at currencies. I will check it out with you. If nothing is happening, okay, this one. Okay. Seems like it's getting rejected now. All right, so let's get back fires up. Okay, seems like he's getting got rejected here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it looks like the momentum is shifting. It's no longer bullish or still bullish. So let's check a keep cryptos. So if VOX here is coming towards the 50 SMA, but it's a very bearish candle here, right there. We got a double top, boom, boom. So this might have a break to the downside. So Bitcoin market is going sideways. Little coin, Polygon. Right, not much is happening. So okay, this one, let's see what's gonna happen here. Because this one is looks good. It looks good. Card, USD card. This one looking good. This one is looking good. So potentially this one is gonna be the trade. So this is gonna be the first candle most likely, or maybe not. I was hoping this to be a red dodgy candle, and then the next candle would be for us to trade. So let's see what's going to happen with this one. If it's going to continue the upside, or it's going to break a little bit above the 50 SMA like it did over here, and continue downwards. That's what you're hoping because we're on a downtrend. Okay, it's pushing down. That's the first candle. It's pulling up a little bit. Let's see what's going to happen on the second candle. We're looking to play the second candle. See, not much movement here. We're gonna wait for the next one because this candle is not moving too much. Hopefully the third candle will do the trick. It's pulling up too much. This one is gonna be a green one most likely. Still in two minds here, still in two minds. So it's not very clear if the trade is gonna have a continuation to the downside, as you can see right here, or it's gonna consolidate and go up. It's not clear. And we can trade. We can draw a line here. So something like this. So if this is true, the price might come to this line. Hopefully not, because it's still far away, too far away. But we got some nice red candles here. So next candle might be the breakout. Let's see. Okay, we are in. Ooh, we are in on the second trade. Push down, push down, push down, push down. Ooh, I'm not pushing up. It pushed up on the last minute. Okay, we are on the third trade, fourth trade. Oh, we won the third trade. That's cool. Ooh, 2 seconds. Ooh, okay, that was a risky, that was a crazy one. I didn't expect this jump. That was a crazy one. But we made good money. We made good money. So we lost by 26 points because that jump was crazy. 12 points there. This one, 10 points. That was good. This one, 27 points. That was crazy. That was a crazy trade, but we made good money. 78 bucks. 78.07. We finished in one, 78.07. So we made 18 bucks in just those four trades. Well, two trades. Um, yeah, that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap it up. So just let me show you. So on the next session, we just need to make 84 cents. So essentially, you just need to place one trade, and that's it. In and out. Boom, boom. That was a cool trade. That was a crazy one, but I didn't expect this jump. But at the same time, I decided to place the trade because we are going with the trend. So the trend is down. So that's why I decided to force it. And in a way, I got lucky, and in another way, I got unlucky because that jumped up on the first and second trade. So yeah, it sucks, but we can see that it's slowly going down, 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 down. That's why I was biased to go with the trend. But yeah, so stay tuned in for next one. Peace.